Heard in count one on or about February 13, 2024 in Montgomery County, and as a continuing course of criminal conduct in Highland County, alleges that you and Ray Cooper did knowingly prepare for shipment, ship, transport, deliver, prepare for distribution, or distribute a fentanyl-related compound, Schedule 2 controlled substance, an amount equal to or exceeding 10 grams but less than 20 grams, when you knew or had reasonable cause to believe it was intended for sale or resale by yourself or another. And then count 2 alleges on about the same date you knowingly possess that amount. Now, that is a second-degree felony, each of those are mandatory terms of a minimum of 2 years and a maximum of 8 years as determined by the judge. And then once that sentence is imposed as a minimum sentence, the adult parole authority could decide to extend that by up to 1/2. So that means that if the maximum 8-year sentence was imposed, the DRC could make that as much as 12. Now, you're entitled to have an attorney, Mr. Cheney, and if you don't have the money to hire one, the court will appoint one for you. I see you did fill out a financial disclosure forms, everything on this form correct?
Yes.
When was the last time you were employed?
February.
Okay. All right, the court then will find that you are entitled to appointed counsel, and I'll appoint Attorney Dennis Kirk of Hillsborough, Ohio to represent you. In the absence of counsel, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. We'll set a bail review hearing for Tuesday, April 30th. No, actually, it has to be Monday. This is a weekend. So it'll be Monday, April 29th at 8:30 a.m., and that'll be a Zoom hearing. Your first pretrial will be set for May the 16th at 1 p.m., and that'll be a Zoom hearing. Final pretrial will be June the 5th at 1 p.m. And the trial date will be June the 27th at 8 a.m. Bond will be set in the amount of $15,000 plus your own recognizance, which is your promise to appear. And if you fail to appear, you could be prosecuted for an additional felony. And if convicted, sentenced on that, no matter what happens in this case, you'll also be under pretrial supervision of the probation department, and you'll report to them immediately after court. You'll have to pay a service deposit of $171 prior to release. And if you make bond, as I said, you'll be under pretrial supervision. You'll be required to report to the probation department once a week for 4 weeks, and after that, as they determine, undergo random drug testing they may order, provide phone numbers for home, cell, and employer. If recommended by probation, you'll be evaluated for substance abuse or mental health issues. If any treatment's indicated, you enroll in and follow that during pendency of this action. You'll also be under house arrest. Excuse me, at your residence. That is located at 8080 Divon Road. And that means you'll have to be there at all times unless you're working. going to and from work, medical appointments, court proceedings in this or any other case, appointments with an attorney or probation officer in this or any other case. You can also attend any kind of schooling, job training, educational programming of any type. You may also attend church services. Other than that, you have to be there at all times, and if you fail to comply, that bond can be revoked and you can be held until further order of the court. All right, do you have any questions, Mr. Cheney?
Not at this time.
All right, we'll notify your attorney and we'll have your bond review hearing Monday morning. Thank you.